Hello, welcome to Andrew Broussard Watercolors. I was sent a art set by Meeden, and today we're going to do the unboxing. This is their painting set of 147 pieces. The MSRP is about 190, but on their website it's listed for 160 on sale. They also have a 10% coupon. They also have free shipping over, I think, $30 or $40. I signed up to be an affiliate with them, so down below you'll see some links. If you use those links to make a purchase, I'll get some kickbacks, and also if you use my code Andrew, ANDREW, you'll get a discount on their website. So we're going to look at this as beginner friendly and budget friendly, and we'll see what it includes. All right, here we go, opening up the box itself. It was shipped as a box within a box within a box, so it's definitely well packaged. And opening this up, you can see how everything is in there, nice and neat and heavily protected. So we'll go through it piece by piece and see what we have. This right here is the main reason I asked them to send me this set to review. It contains a French easel, which in my opinion is a fantastic type of easel. I had them in college, and when I first moved down here to Louisiana, one of the few things that I shipped down when I moved was a French easel. The French easels, you can use them as tabletop easels, just lifting up the top portion. You can use them in the art room or anywhere throughout your house as a stand-up full-size easel. You can also use them out and about whenever you are painting plein air. So super versatile, a lot of uses for it, and I'm really excited about it. If I was to Google French easels right now and look at them on Amazon, I want to say that they're probably starting at $80, give or take. So getting one of these in a set is absolutely fantastic. All right, here is the package partially opened. We have two canvases that are 16 by 20, one white, one black. I've never purchased black stretched canvas before, so I'm really not too keen on what the prices are out there on that. But I do know that they are worth exploring on. It gives you some different approaches you really can play around. I used to take gesso and mix acrylic into it, and then from there paint on top of that, so I would tone it in that fashion. But having it prepared is great. Then we have three panels, so 3-pack, 11 by 14. Two white, and I believe one of them is black. So that gives you another way to explore different colored, different toned canvases. Next up, we have this package of different stretched canvases. I'm going to open that up and see what's inside it. So the rest of the set came in individual boxes that are presented in this fashion, which, looking at it right off the bat, if you were to purchase this set and maybe you didn't want the canvas pad or the disposal palette or the wooden palette, you could turn around and obviously re-gift this. It's already pre-packaged. They must sell it in these individual sets as well. Okay, so next we have the wooden palette on the left, which is something that I'm not really versed in. I think that they might need to be treated or sealed before you use one. That's something that I'll look into down the line, and we'll see how we can set it up and ease of cleaning. Next, we have the disposable palette pad, which is something that I absolutely love using. It makes cleanup so much easier when you're working with oils. Just tear that sheet off and dispose of it safely. Then we have the canvas pad, which there's 10 sheets of that, 100% cotton. It looks like it is triple primed. Okay, so you can use this with acrylic and you can use it with oil. Canvas pads and the panels are usually the easier way to go, at least for me, because they take up less space than something that's stretched over the wooden frame. And this really lets you get a lot of practice in for cheaper purchases. All right, here's our last box in the set. Looks like we're going to have all of our painting supplies, brushes, and paints in there. So let's open it up. Okay, here's the last box opened up. We have individual boxes within it. We're going to open them up off camera and we'll look through them. All right, so this box is mainly brushes. We do have one more thing we need to go over after these, but looking at it, we have 3 sets of brushes, ones that would handle watercolor, acrylic, and oil. It looks like each set has a good spread in it. I haven't played around with the quality, but that'll be for a future video. I think if you were to get this as a beginner, this would really give you a good range of what you need to work with. So we also have the watercolor paper in this box, which is 100% cotton. I love 100% cotton paper, so I can't wait to try watercolor out on that. We also have acrylic paints that are metallic colors. I don't use metallic colors, but it'd be fun to explore and see what different things we can do. In fact, the black canvas and the black panel would probably look fantastic with that on it. Let's look at our last box. Okay, so everything else was packaged inside the French easel, which really goes to show you how much you can fit in there. So I'm going to unpack this and we're going to see what we get. The cats are really vocal today. I've had to film parts numerous times, but I figured I would just have Harrison in this one. He's looking right at me doing that. Harrison! Yeah, bud? Okay, let me pause it. Okay, so we have them all spread out. We have 4 different paint sets. We have the gouache, which I'm super excited about. I've been taking watercolor and passing the gouache over on top of it. So having that many colors would really be interesting and seeing what we can do with it. The acrylic paint, the oil paint sets, we're going to look at those and see how they handle with some tonalist approaches. So that's going to be exciting. We have the plastic palette, which we'll utilize whenever we paint with it. We'll see if there's any issues with that. Sometimes with some palettes, though, the water beads on it, it doesn't want to mix up. There's little things you can do for that, like scuffing it up, but we'll see. We have the 2 palette knives, which is great. And I'm just trying to think of prices in my head, where if you were to get a palette knife from the store, maybe it'd be $3 or $5. We have the color wheel that came with it, which is an added bonus. I believe I've seen those for $5 or $10 in stores as well. We have a box with an X-Acto knife. I think there's some pencils in there, so we'll try to utilize those as well. So all of this, plus the French easel, plus the canvases and the panels, well, we got the panels down there, all of this for $160, which really is not a bad deal. I think it gives you everything that you need as a beginner to really play around, explore the different mediums, see what you like, and that is a good jumping point for finding what you want to really delve into. This set would also be a great gift because it really just covers all the bases. I'm really amazed at how much is coming in this. So I hope you enjoyed. Check them out down below. I'm going to slowly roll out some videos using the different materials and seeing what we can do with them. In the meantime, please like, subscribe, follow. I have the Patreon down below. And if you ever want to support this channel, we have those means. We also have the links to the Meeden if you want to make purchases through there. Once again, my code that you can use for discount is Andrew, ANDREW. Hope you had a great day, and let me know in the comments below if you use any of these products. I'm curious. Take care.